guys, I just defrosted my freezer here in this fridge. You couldn't even close the door before, and there was nothing. I couldn't get anything out. Now I've got it completely cleaned out, and I just chipped away at the ice and used a hair dryer as well, and I got it done pretty quickly. Cleaned up the whole inside here. Everything is within the date of being able to be eaten or drank, and it's all good. So that was a project I've been wanting to do, and now it's done. I wish I showed a little bit more of it here. I would put everything, I was taking everything out of the freezer, which wasn't much, in the fridge, and put it into this chest out here. And I was using the Frisbee to catch the ice with, and right now I'm going to take, this is what I use to keep the door closed to. It's a curtain rod here. And it's just alright. You know, I'm going to have to check in on what I can do to get this to close better, because that's why it builds up with the ice. But it's pretty good right there like that. I think what I got to do is just check it, you know, all the time or regularly. I'm going to pull these mats out of here because the floor is all wet right there. Just clean this up a little bit in here. And we're having hot dogs in my dad's homemade hot dog sauce tonight with French fries. Yeah. And I've been sick the last couple days here, fighting off a cold. I think it's a cold. Yeah. I have a gig on Thursday and Friday, and hopefully I'll be well by then. Anyway, back to whatever we're doing. Oh, and the wood is completely done now. 2 cords right there. Without one piece of wood missing from it. That is 2 cords. Exactly. 2 big truckloads. Okay, there's a hornet's nest right in here, which is not cool, although they really haven't been bothersome all summer. Let's hope it stays that way. Got a couple dirty towels here, things that need to get washed. I don't have my truck because it's being worked on right now. I need a new starter in the truck, so it's at the shop right now, and it seems weird not having the truck here because there's always things I need from it, and always places I want to go. So it's really a nuisance. But we should have it back. I hope by tomorrow. I went by the shop today. I saw them out there working on it, so keep our fingers crossed. I'm looking at this door and it's filthy. Filthy, filthy. I gotta clean it. It's gonna happen right now. Alright, a few rags later, and there you go. Looking a whole lot better than it just did a couple minutes ago. It's still not completely clean, but it looks a lot better. Definitely. It's coming along. Alright kids, this is my dinner over here tonight. We've got my dad's hot dog sauce over here. Rip off of Claire and Carl's. He's added some special ingredients to it, or changed it a little bit. And then we've got, oh man, this is looking really good. We've got French fries, broccoli, and hot dogs, man. 4 hot dogs there. I'm going to warm that sauce up in the microwave, which is right over here in the next room. Right there. We'll do that momentarily. Get the buns out, get the onions cut up. I'm going to do a couple other things here. We'll get back to you, folks. This is going to be one heck of a meal. Right now we're locked into 168 here. There's no traffic on the river right now, so it's pretty safe to just hook yourself up here for a few moments. Yep, that's what we're doing. Watching the sun go down right here at the buoy. We are locked in, shall we say, so to speak.